If you've been in the US or the UK or some of the countries which Google officially provided maps for earlier on, and also on your phones, so the Navteq and some other companies, they had provided those maps for them, and you were able to search that I want to be able to travel from New York City to, say, Philadelphia, and what route should I take? It will give you those directions. Those kind of directions right now for Pakistan work only on MapMaker. So let's see if this works. There was some issues with this yesterday. So the blue line, if you can see, it tells me that head south toward Model Town Circular Road from my current location, I guess. Turn left at Ravi River Link. I think that's would lead me to the bridge. It tells me to take the Manga bypass, not get into the city of Manga. It tells me to take the Bhai Peru bypass, and it tells me that the Bhai Peru bypass is 7.1 kilometers long. It then takes me to Multan Road again, Multan Road, which we call N5. It tells me to continue on N5. It then takes me to the Rinala Khurd bypass. It takes me to the Okada bypass. So you can see the level of detail that you have available over here. It takes you all the way to Lothrana Road. It takes you to Mirpur bypass. It takes you to Karachi Hyderabad motorway. And it brings you to point B. Let's see where it brought us. I think point B is the center of city Karachi. So how many have taken a road trip recently? Lahore, Karachi. Do these sound correct?
I go to Bahawalpur because that's where I live. And the only thing I noticed was that it took the Lodhra bypass and the road is not really good over there, so we have to go through Multan and continue.
Alright, so the reason for that, that's a slightly technical subject. We discussed that under mapping for quality. So when you're adding information, that if you enter the most exact and the most current information, then you'll get the most current maps. So what's happened is, if you go from Lahore to Islamabad, we generally know the best route to take is Lahore-Islamabad M2 motorway. But for certain reasons, because information has not been correctly reflected in MapMaker, it will take you through GT Road. I know that if I go to GT Road via Muridke, I'm in a lot of trouble because the road hasn't been built for the past 5 years. They're still trying to work on that. I don't know why that's happening. But because the information there that we've added, we haven't added the fact that that piece of road is a dirt road and it does not exist yet. Hence, you get incorrect directions in MapMaker. So the second aim, which we'll discuss in the lab again, would be that accuracy and timeliness of the information. As Badr mentioned, that these are the most up-to-date maps. So if, for example, on your way towards FAST campus right now, you found that maybe the Captain Jawal Chima Chowk on the way was not named, and that roundabout was not named properly, you can simply put a pin over there to say this is Captain Jawal Chima Chowk. In probably, I think, a month's time, that information would become available on MapMaker as well. So you do not have to wait for a year or 2 years or maybe infinity in terms of Survey of Pakistan for the maps to be updated. You can have really up-to-date maps. Yeah.
You're going from point A to point B,
yeah.
On this plan, can I just give you an example? Does it give you the most efficient path or alternative path, or how many paths? What is the criteria?
Right.
In MapMaker, okay, it just gives you the quickest path, okay. But in Maps, okay, when it will be live in some time, it will give you some options like you want to walk, you want to skip toll plazas, you want to go through the main highways, you want to go from the minor roads. There are multiple options in original live maps.
These options are input these options or?
If you go, have you ever used the Maps direction feature? It has multiple options, maybe 10 or 15 options to route your map, and even you can just change and add different like staying points in there. So you can it will route you through these points of your choice.
Faraz, why don't you show them these features in the lab as well? मतलब आप जब lab में जाएंगे demonstration करेंगे.
What I will do in lab, okay, I will just compare MapMaker direction with live map direction, maybe in somewhere in UK where I live. So you can see what final product will be when this product is finished or something.
I have a couple of questions. Can you hook up the GPS to the laptop and see your location? And also, are these maps available offline?
Yep, that's a big question because this is a user-generated data, okay? and we pushed Google some months ago that this should be available openly. So this map maker data is available for anybody to use and download it. Like actually the UNESCO is using this map maker data in Africa for human relief operations, and now the map maker data in Pakistan is also available for anybody. So just download it and use it. And you can hook up your GPS with your laptop to pinpoint your location, or maybe if you're using Wi-Fi or something, it can locate your location within 100 meters or 1000 meters depending on the internet connection, and you can use it, the Google Map product, or your mobile using the GPRS, and it can actually pinpoint you within 100 meters of accuracy depending on the mobile communication tower.
Actually, if you have a GPS device like this BlackBerry GPS device, you get up to 3 meters.
Yeah. So just depending on if you have GPS, you can just get more accurate. But if you don't have GPS, okay, Google Maps can track you within some 100 meters depending on the telephone tower or your ISP.
My question is, does it work for the maps on my laptop or only for the maps application on my mobile?
Yes, it works on both. MapMaker doesn't work on mobiles, okay, but live maps work on mobiles, PDAs, so it's maybe almost every platform now.
Don't you think like we should also involve the government as well, so that it can give some real good information apart from the volunteer stuff?
So it's Pakistan, and that's why we jump in these projects, so we can just do independent of government. We don't trust government here.
Don't trust government, it's just make us, you can go for like a useful ally as well. I'm not like going to advocate the government over there, but still, like they can give you some real good information about the projects they are going, like was from the questions, कि कुछ सड़कें नहीं सही हैं, अवेलेबल ऑप्शंस नहीं है आपको पता, आपको ठीक है क्विकेस्ट रास्ता बता रहा है, लेकिन वहाँ पर सड़क बन रही है या नहीं बन रही, जिससे मिस्टर उमर ने कहा था कि मुरीद के का जो सारा है, तो वो पे गवर्नमेंट की कोलैबोरेशन के साथ गवर्नमेंट अपडेट करती रही कि ठीक है यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट अभी चल रहा है, यहाँ पे भी प्रोजेक्ट रन होना है, या जिस तरह आपका ये अंडरपास बन रहे थे कैंपस में पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी के, आई रिमेंबर कि कितना मसला होता था यहाँ पे।
एक्चुअली जब गवर्नमेंट या बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन चीज़ों को मैनेज करती है ना, तो फिर उनके प्रायोरिटीज़ होती हैं, दूसरी चीज़ होती हैं, काफ़ी मसला होता है। सेम एग्जांपल है, गूगल ने मलेशिया में फॉलो की थी कि मलेशिया में गूगल पहले किसी थर्ड पार्टी से मैप सोर्स कर रहा था, ठीक है, उसमें क्या हो रहा था कि डेवलपमेंट कंट्रीज़ है, रैपिड डेवलपमेंट हो रही होती है, कंपनी अपने मैप्स को उतने रैपिडली अपडेट नहीं करती, तो उन्होंने किया और कंपनी को डंप किया और मैपर को अलाउ किया कि आप अपने इलाके के मैप्स खुद जनरेट करें, और क्योंकि मैपर जो उस एरिया में लोग रह रहा होता है उसे पता होता है कि कौन सी छोटी सी रोड जो गली में जा रही है वो भी टूटी हुई है, तो गूगल मैप मेकर में इतनी डिटेल्स ऐड कर सकते हैं कि आप बता सकते हैं गूगल मैप मेकर को ये डर्ट रोड है, इसकी कंडीशन ख़राब है, इसको अवॉइड करो, ठीक है, मैं आपको इसकी एग्जांपल्स दूंगा, तो आप लोग उसमें फ़ौरन जाकर अपडेट कर सकते हो, और गूगल मैप मेकर से मे बी विद इन सम मंथ्स, ओके, मैप मेकर से लाइव डाटा जो है मैप पे शिफ्ट हो जाता है एंड यू कैन एनीबॉडी कैन यूज इट।
So if I can also add in, जो आपका सवाल था कि गवर्नमेंट को क्यों नहीं इन्वॉल्व करता, आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है, लेकिन ये आप ये देखें कि ये जो टूल है इट्स सो ओपन, इट्स सो क्राउड सोर्स्ड कि ये आप पाकिस्तान को छोड़ें, आप कहते हैं ना पाकिस्तान की हम गवर्नमेंट को नहीं ट्रस्ट करें, एनी गवर्नमेंट will be left behind जब यूजर्स चढ़ते हैं कंप्यूटर, ठीक है ना, so बात it's not about trust in the government whether or not, it's about how involved the government is on time, right? तो आपकी बात भी सही है, but the thing we're trying to do here is कि user generated इतना momentum हमारा already established हो गया, we're being mentioned on blogs, we're being mentioned on the internet, New York Times is taking notice. इसका इशू ये है कि हम ज़रा attention के through why the government can be brought aside, and the government should have people, मतलब we're looking forward to interaction with the government. I mean, I'm not the government, I'm not Google, I'm just a middle guy. I'm just excited by the fact that there are options for the government to get involved, vice versa as well. कि government को, शायद government के पास बहुत information हो, we'll talk about this. कि maybe the government has information that we can put on the maps as well. ठीक है, तो मतलब कि it's no one's trying to exclude each other. That's the main thing.
Thank you.
Sir, I wanted to ask are you in any way regulated by the government? Say the government does not want to show an area.
We are in touch with the government,
Okay.
and obviously we respect every country's privacy and obviously their commercial and their military and all those areas. So we are in touch with them. So we are in touch with them for all other products. So at the policy level, we are in touch with them, and then they can always obviously let us know कि क्या जगह हैं जो वो नहीं चाहते मैप हो या So upper point, the government is actually, so there are steps of, sorry, I hope I've answered your question. जो गवर्नमेंट के किसी भी चीज में इन्वॉल्वमेंट यूजर की या गवर्नमेंट की किसी की भी जब आती है वो 2-3 लेवल्स की होती है. एक होती है एज ऑडियंस, बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो आज ऑडियंस हैं, दे आर नॉट प्रोएक्टिवली मैपर्स. So government is right now probably a big user of all these maps. So I can at least share with you that PTA has officially appreciated Google Maps. So that's because there was no other initiative yet taken, and this is actually local content. Nobody else can do it. I mean, we could, as Google, we could bring up the product, but we couldn't map. हम map नहीं कर सकते. जिसमें अभी आरेवाला की बात थी या जो डैम की आपने बात की एक मतलब nobody else would know except the locals जिन्होंने उन projects पे काम किया है जो वहाँ travel किया है. So in that case, I think from audience to contributors जो government का आएगा, I think that's it. That's their pace. कितनी जल्दी वो contribute करते हैं. फराज की पेज थी, इसमें कहा किसी ने पूछा आपने वो डैम बलोचिस्तान का ही है